Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete your Canva projects. So just go to projects here. You don't have to go back to your home page. Just go to projects and you're just going to right click on it or select these three dots, and you're just going to select move to trash, and it's going to instantly delete your designs, your projects, and whatever. And that's pretty much it, really. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys though. If you haven't, please subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share, etc. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.